Hey guys, Run Kids, and today we are opening a Steam Siege. I was gonna say Super Magic Stunt, and then it didn't work. Steam Siege. Wait, do I have it? Whatever. Exernius. It has an Exernius on the front, so I hope I get an Exernius in the back. Is that even in this? I don't know.
Yeah, it is. There's they reprinted the Geomancy one.
Oh, that one was pretty good. Yes, Larvita.
Speak up a little bit.
Larvesta. Fletching.
Fletchling.
Ocelot. Sneasel. Joltik. Talon Flame. Lampent. Talon Flame. Klefki. And Captivating Pokepuff.
I'm going to give that an 8.
Yeah, really? Talon Flame's amazing.
Talon Flame's amazing. Klefki's alright. Pokepuff's good. And then that Joltik, I like that Joltik. Because the Galvantula is
cool.
awesome.
And it looks very realistic with flowers. Okay. Look at this Joltik. It also is lightning. I'll rate it a 7. I'll rate it an 8. Okay, that was a pretty good pack. Let's get on to the online pack. Will it be as good as that pack was? Who knows? Well, actually, nobody knows. None of us. Click. Okay. You did it wrong. Oh, I didn't see that button. Whoa. Oh. Why do you always open it? Hydreigon. In comes Zach. Meryl. No, that's not a Meryl. Mantine. Dua. Gardevoir Spirit Link. Ponyta. Drifblim. Is that a new one? Drifblim? No, it's never been a new one. I thought it was only Drifblim. It evolves from Drifblim. Oh. Rufflet. Hydreigon. Mankey. Fungus. Kling. And that's really all. Not very good. What do you think of it, Logan? Magic.
Not too
Did
great.
I press the button?
Hydreigon's alright.
No.
Cool Pokemon. Fungus, I like, so maybe a 5.
Yeah, I'll give it a 5. Oh, what happened? Okay. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Check out tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Whoa. And comment. You forgot something. You forgot to say...